Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do right now is talk about three specific projects and perhaps a bonus one that I want to get into specifically because they are multi-chain. And I want to talk about what that means from a Cardano investor perspective and also from a Matic Ethereum perspective as well. So with that being said, we're going to dive right into it, but I do want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. It's the fastest way to help this channel grow and prosper, right? So I'm just going to get one more link here set up and we should be ready to go. So with that being said, we are July 23rd of 2023. So depending on when you're watching this video, things may have changed already. So what we're talking about are a couple projects that I like, and specifically because they are not just built for one blockchain, but for several. That's why we're talking about multi-chain. So the first one I have on the list is Book. And if you guys are familiar with JPEG Store, or you're probably coming from Ethereum, you can see that there is a opportunity here for a very big project, and they have a token sale going on right now as well. I believe it's just finishing up another phase. So here there's 11 minutes left. This is going to be done by the time you're watching, but the price is going up. So if we take a look at Book, so what they are is they are, Book.io is a multi-chain Web3 marketplace for buying, reading, and selling decentralized ebooks and audiobooks. Book.io currently mints books for 4 blockchains and has a native iOS and Android app. So what you can do, for example, is you can buy an NFT. I have one in my wallet as well. And what you can do is connect that to an app and you can read your book and then you can sell it later through the blockchain, which is really cool. So it's a great way to own books. I own the Gutenberg Bible on the Cardano blockchain. I believe it is the first one that they minted as well. But as you can see here, they are multi-chain. So you've got books for Algorand, Cardano blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain, Polygon blockchain, and you have all these, and you have the asset ID numbers to verify the legitimacy. So if you go here, you can view the bookstore, right? So you can see what's being minted. So for example, they have these really cool art. They have very cool art as well. Right now they're minting the Jungle Book. So you can click here, you can go to Mint Now, and you could log into Mint. So you can connect your wallet. This is really cool art, by the way. And what I do like about this is the integration. So when you own these books, you can imagine that in the future as well, maybe other blockchains will support it, but the communication level is getting better across chains, right? Meld is another beautiful project. So this is Meld. They do DeFi banking, lending, and borrowing. So you can have a non-custodial wallet and you can hold all your assets, borrow against them in the app, and you can get access to different currencies. I don't think it's going to be eligible for the US right away. So that's something to think about. But Meld, you're not just getting in a project that's related to Cardano, you're getting into a project that's related to all these other chains. So check that out. It's meld.com. What else we got going on? Actually, if you go to Meld on their website, it's $Meld. You can see that there's also all these different exchanges where you can pick some up as well. This is for Cardano, but I'm telling you, this is going to be a big deal. This is going to be massive. This is going to be very massive. Copi Cornucopias. So we could find that as well. Huge metaverse game. I talk about it all the time. This is going to be a 100x project. Just watch. But even with Meld, they have their Binance Smart Chain token. So you can pick up BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and then you can pick up Meld through that chain as well, which is incredible. And then the other one is Dega, DEGA. So right now they are having the first ever multi-chain ISPO, starting out with Cardano. So I've already got almost 7,000 between a couple different wallets. So this is for Cardano right now, but it's also going to be here for Ethereum. They're going to be doing a Matic sale, I believe, and then another sale. They have tons going on, which is really cool. So I want to keep this video short and sweet, but I did want to mention that these are not just 4 incredible projects that you can pick up and swap with Cardano. In fact, with this particular project of Dega, you can get into the ISPO. If you go to Crypto Moose, the channel, type in Dega. I've got tons of videos here for you. So with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. Nothing else going on. We have a free Cardano course, so check that out in the link in the description below. You can learn everything from setting up a wallet, trading, staking, how to own your private keys. We get into all that and more. So we'll see you guys in the next one.